Hey everyone, how's it going? Hope you're all having a great day. And today I'm going to be installing my LED light kit for my interior. I'm really excited to put this LED light kit in because these two lights do not work. The one here in the rear does work, but it's good to change them all out so they have a good uniform light across the entire cabin. Alright, in order to remove the trim that stays in front of the bulbs, all you need to do is take a trim tool like this, stick it up in here, find a place to grab it by, and pull it out. You always want to put your thumb under this so you can catch it so it doesn't fly down through the cabin. Next thing you do is you install your LED, and it's as simple as pushing it in. Next thing you do is you test it. Well, if they don't turn on, that means you got another problem. I'm just gonna have to diagnose the front ones later. It's kind of the same deal for this one. What you do is you take your trim tool, you put it up between the plastic, and you pry down until it comes off. Take the old bulb out. Put the LEDs in, test them up. And if they don't work, sometimes they may be backwards, so try flipping them around. Oh, look at that, they lit up. And reattach.
Let's get scratching.
Let's try that reverse trick, because maybe I got the polarities backwards. Up here first, before I condemn them as bad. Because originally they actually had no bulb in them. Oh, look at that! I just had them in backwards. Now I have LEDs all around the inside of my car, so now I'll be able to see things at night. Now the kit I used was this Extreme Vision LED bulbs. I got these off of Amazon, and if you want to get the same kit, I'll put the link in the description. You may have noticed that it came with that extra bulb in case one is defective or you broke it, and it came with these other bulbs here. They're actually tag bracket bulbs, but I'm not going to install the tag bracket bulbs until I do an entire LED conversion to the outside of the car. Thank you so much for watching, and remember to work hard. I'll catch you next time.